Yes, hello, Brayden. What's up, man?
Not much.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
How you feeling, man? Thank you. Good?
Good.
Excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
Nah.
Now, what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
All right, man. First time?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Of course it was yours. All right, man. Who else is here with you?
A couple of my friends. Hunter, Tristan, Steven, Stefan, and my brother. Trey.
Perfect, man. Where are they at?
Right there, there's one.
There's one.
Skydiving 10, you're getting close to 10 minutes.
All right, everybody's getting ready.
Scattered around.
All right, man. Perfect. All right, any special locations or just to try?
Nah, just to do it.
Yeah, you're in the right place then, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about the skydive, okay? How high are we going?
14,000 feet.
Yes, that is 2.6 miles straight up.
Yeah.
How fast are we falling?
120 miles an hour.
Ooh, do you drive that fast?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. All right, that's somebody right there. All right, man, when you gonna open that parachute?
5,500.
Yep, what happened if you don't?
We can go a little bit lower.
Twin is gonna open it for you, man, don't worry. All right, brother, anything you wanna say before we go out there? Any last words?
Nah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, brother.
All right.
See you in the plane.
See ya.
Woo.
I'm feeling good.
Good, excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit. How about you, brother? Okay, perfect. How high are we right now?
6,000 feet.
Yeah, what are we going to do at 6,000 feet?
Huh?
What are we doing at 6?
We're pulling the parachute.
Yes, man, don't forget, okay?
Alright.
Because you forget sometimes. Alright? Alright, brother, anything you want to say before we go out there? Any last words?
Freaking, let's do this.
Hey, do it, brother. How was that, huh?
Awesome.
Oh man, you did great.
Yeah.
Congratulations. All right, brother. Will you ever do it again?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, man. How about this guy over here?
Yeah, he's sweet.
Great, huh? All right, what was your favorite part?
Falling without the parachute on.
Falling without the parachute?
Yeah, jumping out.
And what was the scariest part?
Jumping out.
Jumping out, but you did great, man. Congratulations. Yeah. All right, if your friends and family want to go skydive, where they gotta go to? What place?
Spaceland.
Skydive Spaceland. Yeah, brother, you did great, Clint.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, brother. All right.